In this video, I want to show you how to work with tags and how to use the filter bar. Tags can be applied to any pool version or component version, and you'll see which tags are applied with those colored icons here and the first letter of the tag name. So in this case, this pool version does have the reference tag set, and if I want to set another one, I can select one from the list or add one with the add other tag option at the bottom. So if I add the status tag here, it will be appended to the name, and then I can use the filter bar to find everything tagged with that. So I open the filter, select tag equals, and then choose status, and that will only show me pool versions that are tagged with that status tag. There's one special kind of tags here. If you watch this one, it says reference and then in parentheses exclusive. That means this tag will only ever be applied to exactly one pool version. So if I go to my 137 here and try to apply that reference exclusive, it will set the reference tag to 137 and remove it from 135. So that way you can make sure that only one pool version is tagged with that tag. The filter bar also has a lot more options for different filters like owner, successor, team status, and you can combine the multiple of those as well to refine your search.